Cool. Ow. Give me the bolts. I feel like I'm supposed to want to avoid those, but all I want to do is make them explode. So that's what I'm going to do. Explode. Explosions. All the explosions. Now air. Alright. Is that enough to explode everything down there? Not even a little bit. Okay. That'll explode it all. Let's go collect everything. Is there anything in here? Place to take a breath. Oh, that did blow up everything. Nice. Give me everything. Fire. You can do nothing against the fire. Face it. Face my fire. Alright, that should take care of them all. The proto drum's almost level 5. I really gotta use these. These are both level 1 still. Let's use the plasma striker. This is the aim one? Yes. His eyes. Wait, so can I? I can be underwater indefinitely. There are 2 more gold bolts around here. I assume that I'm gonna have to get to them from underwater. Same way I had to for the first one. I don't like how blurry it is. Ooh, what's that? That's lava. Oh wow, I was really far underground. Where am I? What's that? Second I get underwater, it gets so blurry. Explosions is what that is. Nice. Give. I want more. Is there a... Ah! Oh. Okay. I gotta say, I was not expecting that in the slightest. Might have to come back later. I wasn't... What? What am I supposed to do? I assumed that killed me before because I was out of range. Jump, 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 jump. Let's see what we got. So I have 2. Zircon. And Zircon only has 1 thing. I use... What else do I use a lot? I guess I'll give the fusion grenade some more. Beef that up a bit more. Because I always use it. It's always I always fall back onto that one. Viridian. Coming back for that bolt. I've come back multiple times. This time, I'm taking it. Okay. I'm excited. Finally actually going to get this one. Let's go! Spider Ratchet. Spider Ratchet does whatever a Spider Ratchet does. And everything. Time to switch over to this. Hey, where is it? Oh, it's gotta be over there. Alright. Just explosion. Okay. Okay, neither of those are that much fun. Fire. I know I said I need to use the fire. I don't use it much. But now, you know, it's fire. Nice. Ooh, I didn't check what I got from the last one. Let's look at what new extras we got. No new ones there. Adorable tree. What? Put that on for a bit. I'm not even gonna bother with that. Give me something to break. Oh. Wait, what did I get then? Is that what I got? Weird. I always feel like I get stuff and then I instantly, like, I don't actually get anything for it. This whole time, every time I see, like, oh, the next number, once I get one more, I'm gonna get something. Then I get one more and I don't get anything. Like rhino cards. So is that... There's still another one there? I gotta go all over the place. Oh well. I'll come back later. Play through the game first, and I can worry about collectibles. I say that for now, but then like in...
Rex and I are heading over to the complex. We'll split up and keep radio contact. Good luck, team.
Trek Industries is up ahead. Let's move.
Ooh, I see. Okay. Spider Ratchet. Spider Ratchet. He's a spider and he's also a tool. Oh, that was with the upgrade I got.
Follow me.
From the brains thing? Oh. Thing. Nice. I don't remember this weapon very much, but looks cool. Got blades.
Enemies up ahead. I'll cover you.
Blades. Blades. Not doing anything. Yo, maybe could
I'll
you
hit
help?
the switch. Wait here.
No. I don't want to wait.
Versa bridge activated.
Try crossing now.
But I still have to. But I still have to hit these manually.
You coming?
No. Alright, that was all.
Careful. Guards up ahead.
Should I not just shoot?
Attack!
That's what I did.
Heads up! We got
Yeah.
some flyers!
The warmonger. Alright. Get rid of the flying guy.
2 left!
Where? Oh. Oh. Not what I meant to do, but I'll roll with it. That's one. Oh. What else we got? Nice. Okay.
Not bad for a
That one is
rookie.
pretty cool.
Huh. Place looks pretty secure. Any ideas on a point of entry?
Oh,
Ratchet, the last time I was here, I used the air purification vents to escape. Perhaps we could now use them to get into the factory.
Good thinking, Clank. Be careful in there, Clank.
yeah, because my favorite part of this game is playing as Clank.
Come in, Rangers. I am inside Trek Industries' ventilation system.
Good work, Cadet. I wish I was in that vent with you. Curse these abnormally large muscles.
There's a security terminal just north of your position. Shut it down, and the Rangers should be able to access the building.
Got a Rhino card. Noted. I need a bomb. At some point I'm gonna have a bomb, and I should remember to come back.
Here we are. Ratchetron Career Opportunities page. Please state your current position. Assistant to
Right?
Villain. List relevant skills. Filing, answering calls, assisting in planetary.
There's gonna be a bomb somewhere.
It's the defect.
It's gotta
What are
be.
you doing back here?
What's that?
There must be a way through this room.
Ooh, okay. Let's change him to a bridge. Get up here. I'm very confused with that thing that I just saw was. Let's take this guy. What's this? Oh. If it's important, I'll find out later. bridge. Bouncy pad. Power. Snag this guy. And hopefully this will give me bombs.
Attention, all warbots. Warbot Platoon 774 has successfully completed training and is ready for action. Congratulations. Now go out there and ruin someone's day.
Yeah. You gonna make something's life just the worst. Rhino card. Alright. Really thought that was gonna be Rhino card. Huh. That was just funny. Well, let's just go ahead and continue on. Rhino card or not, I got it. And I assume one of the trophies is gonna be getting all of these.
Defect, I'm warning you. Special delivery from Damage Crash.
Okay. I already know that one of the
That didn't work at all.
trophies will be to get all the cards. I hope not, because it doesn't seem tedious and not very much fun. But we'll see. And I'll evaluate once I actually get through the game. I'll evaluate whether or not I want to.
Oh, I just finished stacking those.
Okay, I can get up anyway. I'll evaluate whether or not I want to put in the effort. Am I supposed to be able to get up here? There's gotta be something up here. Come on, really? Nothing? Lame. I don't remember what I was saying. Something about evaluating whether or not I want to. Oh, it's frozen. Oh no, how long has that been frozen? I've been constantly thinking, so I'm just surprised that it's gone how long? Almost an hour without freezing up yet. I'm not too mad. Man, I hope you saw any of what I was doing in here. I got up there, in case you didn't see it. At one point I was going around up there. Now I just don't know what to do. That's what's Miss Hungry. Oh, there's another path right here.
Oh my, that looks dangerous.
Well, no bomb. Okay.
Let's see you think your way out of this one.
I can think my way out of anything.
Do not fail me now.
Everything going okay, pal?
I am almost there, but I have run into an obstacle.
Well, I know how to do this one.
Drax's assistant Zed is attempting to keep me from reaching the security terminal.
Understood. Ilaris, carpet bomb the factory with pyrocytic blast mines.
I think it's probably safer if we let Clank handle things.
I would prefer that as well.
I don't know, how do I get back though? Is the real question.
Okay, that's far enough. Begin now.
I don't know why that scared me. I looked at them.
How did you best my brilliance?
Bridge. Grab this bad boy. Make them a bridge. This one didn't make anything, but no matter. Bridge. Power. Power. This power.
Attention, all warbots. A bug in your system settings has been discovered.
Good work,
You should
Gadgetbot.
never add flowers to your battery packs. You should add power. Please see
No.
your nearest engineer for a software upgrade.
Add
Engineer.
flower.
Mandatory typing classes have now been ordered by Chairman Drek.
Become bakers, not warbots. I lost any health yet?
Okay, you wanna fight? How about fighting a real warbot?
Okay,
Sees
he's
that
dead.
I've captured you, then I'll be top henchman. Maybe he can spend all day stacking crates.
Prepare
for disintegration.
more? No?
How about 2 warbots?
Yeah.
I can't compete with this.
Yeah.
Bad for a demon.
You can't compete with this. I'm too awesome. Look at me, I'm a little robot. I only got 5 health, and you can't beat me. Imagine being that bad. Couldn't be me. Oh, you're wrong. Why can't I use like the helicopter, like the jetpack that we had, the thruster that we hadn't installed?
There's
Okay.
certainly nothing you can do about this crate blocking your way into the security room. Yep, I'd just give up if I were you.
I don't know what his goal was.
Perhaps that magnet can be of assistance.
Okay. Okay, wait, I wanna... Go up there and grab this. Nice.
Hey, I was collecting those.
Rhino? No.
This is the worst day ever.
Come on.
Oh, I'm missing Lance
Come
and Janice.
on. Alright.
It's the season finale, too.
I see that. Let's move this over here.
Stop crashing things! Coming out of my paycheck!
Which paycheck? You're a robot. Titanium.
I'm gonna lose my job for this mess.
Okay. Come on. Oh. Alright, now I just need to go across. And break everything. Get as many of these as I can. Alright, I don't want to wait.
must have so many unread emails right now.
Ah. Oh goodness. I apologize. I hope that was not, I tried to take my mic away. Are these- Wingdot. Any other combination, something I can do with more. Oh,
Dialing Chairman Drek.
how do I?
Greetings. You've reached the voicemail box of Chairman Alonso Drake. I'm away from my phone right now, probably in a meeting or something. Perhaps securing the progress. Anywho, leave a message at the beep. Unless it's bad news. The next person who brings me bad news goes straight to the
Bring it up
lava
there.
pit.
Hey, Mr. Chairman Drek. It's Zed, calling for no reason. Everything's fine. I'm totally not
Yeah.
cowering inside a shipping crate or anything. In fact, I was just calling to assure you that there is nothing to worry about. Security is,
Can I put all three? Can I put all three of them on top of each other? Right in the corner. Okay. Alright. Never mind.
I don't like the look of that magnet over there. Magnets, huh? Can't trust them.
Let's just. How do I get up there? I can't get Ratchet in here, can I?
Crane requires multiple power bots. I must search this room.
No, do that. Don't worry about it. I already got all three. I was just messing around. Long.
Hey, let me down! Heed my warning, Warbot! You and that terminal are the property of Drek Industries. Don't you dare execute that command! You executed it! Well, don't even think about double-clicking on the security icon and bypassing our systems. You did it again! I don't believe this.
Come in, team. I have disengaged the facility's security grid.
Good work, pal. See you back